Hello everyone, in this video let's see how to use terminate action. This normally if you want to terminate a flow or terminate a sequence of steps, we can use this terminate action so that it will blocks or will not execute the further steps. Okay, for that we need to go to Power Automate homepage and click here My Flows, and let's create one flow. So let's create an instant cloud flow. Here select manually trigger a flow, create, and now the next step, here we will choose to send an email, and parallelly we will create one more action like creating an item in the SharePoint list. So first let's create and send an email. So here send an email. Okay, specify the recipients and subject. Yes, received email. Same copy in the body also, and create a parallel branch. For that, create an item, SharePoint item. For that, let's give the site address. Okay, let's give SP lessons. Here I have a site collection. Okay, select this and select the list birthdays. Okay, so it will ask the entries. Give here some title, and date of birth is, you can give like 5th Jan, something like 1965 something. Okay, here you can give some dummy entry. So now we have created two parallel branches. Once these two are succeeded, we can terminate the next steps in this flow. Okay, so click new and select the action terminate, and if you check here, terminate the execution of a run. Okay, so this will actually if it is having more steps, or if you don't want have the other steps to be executed, or you just want to stop the execution of the workflow run, so we can use this terminate control. Click, and here you can see status code, message, all these things are given, but let's select here succeeded, and the further step, let's create one action, send an email. Okay, so here use recipient, specify test termination. In the body you can write terminated email. Okay, so here we have used terminate, so this send an email, second one will not execute. Okay, let's see whether it will happen or not. Save the flow and check whether any errors are there with flow checker. No errors, and let's perform the trigger. Okay, click test now, and you can see here run flow and all the connections are good, green mark. Continue and click run flow, click done, and your flow ran successfully. And you can see here all the three steps, four steps, say like one, two, this parallel two steps, and this terminate has been successful, and you can see the last step has not been executed. Okay, let's see the output, whether they send an email, we got an email or not. Yeah, we have received the mail now here, and our parallel one create an item in the SharePoint. Yeah, it's done. So these are successful, and this terminate is also successful, so it stopped the execution of the second email sending. Okay, this is how you can terminate uh, the workflow at any point of the at any point. Okay, thanks for watching.